And then for our final three settings, file, folder, and shortcut deployment. Here, using group policy preferences, you have the abilities also to copy files to machines, to create folders if you need them, and also to create shortcuts in various locations that the users can make use of. And the process to use any of these is relatively similar depending on what you're needing to do. Right here is files, where we can then copy a file from a source location to a destination location and perhaps change some attributes on that file. The whole point here is for you to copy that file onto any machine where this GPO applies so that you could disseminate out a file that people would perhaps require. You could also down here under folders configure some folders, as in creating those folders and defining characteristics of those folders as well. So this would create that folder, which would then allow you to copy the file into that folder. Lastly, we also have down here the shortcuts, which if you've ever dealt with shortcuts, particularly desktop type shortcuts, this presents a pretty long list of different ways in which you can configure how that shortcut appears, where it exists on those targeted machines, so on the desktop or in the start menu, for example, what for even the shortcut key would be down here and how it would execute whenever you run the shortcut, and even to the point where you can define an icon file for the shortcut as well. So if you've ever toiled with having to get users connected up to applications through one or more shortcuts, this use of a group policy preference here enables you to very easily tailor exactly which shortcuts should appear on which machines and also where.